Okay, so how do we determine if that point is a solution to our system?
You have to plug in the X and Y.
Plug it in. Plug it in.
2 times X.
So plug it in, see if it's true for both, not just one. So I'm going to plug in -2 for X, and I'm going to plug in -2 for Y, and I should get -2. 2 times -2 is?
-4.
Okay, and then I have +2. That looks like that's true, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that works. And then I plug in -2 minus 2 times -2. Do I get 2? -2. This is a minus. Minus, that makes a plus. Is that true?
Yes.
So is that a solution?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So the answer is yes, it's a solution. All right. Again, if you're not here, I will be making a running list of the bell work and the notes for your notebook, because notebooks are not that great every time I do a notebook check, so make sure that you have bell work. You should have so many bell work items, and those will at the end be totaled up. Yeah, I can. Or I can wait.
Are we supposed to write the question down?
No, you don't have to write the. You need.
Max.
All right. So, solving a system of linear equations by graphing. There are 3 steps that you need to take to solve your system by graphing. Graph it. Okay. So you're graphing lines. Some of you are still struggling with that. So come see me. I am here to help. Graph each of your lines. The point of intersection where they cross. That is their solution. If they don't cross, guess what? They don't have a solution. They're parallel. So parallel lines don't have a solution. We'll talk more about that later. And then you can double check to see if you estimated correctly. I gave you graph paper so you can see if, so you can graph better. And then you can check by substituting that point in and seeing if it's true for both. Yes, this is 5-1 continued, by the way. If you're watching this wondering where that section number is, it's 5-1 continued.
Hi, Max.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to graph the 2 lines. Where do I start for the first one? And we use 2 different colors. What's my starting point? No. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We'd have to graph.
Yes, you have to graph. And you have to be quiet and pay attention. Also. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my starting point. And then my slope is -2, so I go right from there. Go not to the down 2 to the right 1. Yeah.
Right to the right.
Down 2 to the right 1. Down because it's negative. So down 1, 2 to the right 1, or what? Up 1, 2 to the left 1.
Oh.
So I'm going to just draw this line, 2 points.
I'm being bullied. Yeah, I'm off being harassed.
There.
Where's the other corner?
The other line, we're about to graph that.
Oh.
I started out at 5, and then I went down 2 to the right 1, and up 2 to the left 1. So now I'm going to graph the other line in red, or pink, or, no. Okay, where's my starting point for this second one? -1. And then my slope says to do what from there? Up 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right 1. Oops, I already found my intersection. So, you can go ahead and graph that. So it looks like they intersect right at this point here. What's that point? 1, 3. So my solution's 1, 3. I'm going to double check, make sure that's true.
Then the answer is 1.
Yep, should be. Let's check, see if we get true solution. So, I'm going to substitute 3 for y and see if this is true. Does 3 equal negative 2 times 1 plus 5? Yep, that's, yes. Does 3 equal 4 times 1 minus 1? Yes, so that's true. That's all you do. Does that make sense? Questions?
I get it.
Yes.
Does he have to go to the same point? Like,
Yeah.
does they cross
You're
it?
finding that intersection. If it doesn't have an intersection, it's because they're parallel, which means no solution.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're looking for the one point that they cross.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Max.
Alright, so on number 5 here, this is a difficult one. What you want to do is solve for y first. So you subtract 2x on both sides to get y equals 5 minus 2x. So in other words, y equals negative 2x plus 5. Yes? So you start out at 5, which is what you did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you went down 2 to the right one. Or up 2 to the left one. That's how we got that line. Perfect. And then we solve for y for the other one. What do I do to solve for y for this one? What do I do?
Goodbye.
I don't add to y. I want to get y by itself. So what am I going to subtract?
3x.
3x, yeah. 3x. So negative 2y equals 4 minus 3x. Now this is tricky. You have to divide everything by what? Negative 2. So you get y equals, what's this?
4.
Negative 2.
Okay.
What's this?
3. Talking about like the bottom number or the top number? Just like
The
circle.
fraction.
Oh.
3 halves. Positive 3 halves. Why is it positive 3 halves? Because 2 negatives make positive.
Please don't.
Alright, so you can see he started with negative 2 and then he went up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, 2. Or down 1, 2, 3 to the left 1, 2. So that solution is what? Questions?
No.
Good job, Brian.
Bye,
You
Max.
understand? Okay.
Aren't we done?
We are done actually, I think.
Yes. Thank God.
Yes. So you may take 2 minutes, but